Ladies and gentlemen, buckle in. Today we're unleashing a beast. Meet the BMW M4 Manhart, cloaked in stealthy black, tuned to terrorize the tarmac. This isn't just a performance coupe. It's a fire-breathing, carbon fiber-clad missile with German precision and Manhart madness. If you crave speed, sound, and street presence, hit that like and subscribe. Let's rip it open. From the front, the M4 Manhart makes no apologies. The massive kidney grills are now flanked by deep carbon splitters and bold yellow accents. Manhart's signature touch. LED laser headlights pierce through the dark like eyes of a predator. The hood bulges with power, hinting at the fury beneath. Swing to the rear, and the aggression only intensifies. A massive carbon diffuser, quad titanium exhaust tips, and a ducktail spoiler turn the back end into pure motorsport theater. The tail lights glow like red-hot coals, and the Manhart badging reminds you, this is no stock Bimmer. The side profile is sharp, menacing, and fast even when standing still. Lowered on H&R suspension, riding on lightweight forged wheels wrapped in sticky rubber, and trimmed with yellow graphics slicing through the black paint. This coupe doesn't whisper performance, it shouts it. The carbon side skirts and mirror caps complete the race-ready look. Inside, its cockpit meets combat zone. Alcantara, leather, carbon trim. Everything feels focused and premium. Yellow stitching and Manhart logos add flair, while the sport seats grip you tight. Under the hood, a tuned 3.0-liter twin-turbo inline-six pushing over 600 horsepower, paired with an 8-speed M-Steptronic and optional X-Drive. It launches like a bullet and handles like it's on rails. The sound, thunderous. On the road or on the track, the M4 Manhart doesn't play nice, it dominates. It's not just a car, it's a machine built to conquer, tuned to thrill, and styled to intimidate. Want more tuner monsters and track weapons? Subscribe, smash that bell, and tell us what insane build we should unleash next. See you in the fast lane.